Before I left for the Army, me and Murphy had never been separated for that long. The only time we'd ever been apart before that was when I went to a 5-day-long summer camp. So being gone for 8 months was really hard for both of us. I think he recognized my voice, but he didn't recognize who he saw. It just broke my heart because this dog is my world. And I was so afraid that he had forgotten me. For those moments before he recognized me, I was just terrified. When he recognized me, it was so relieving. I can't put into words how exactly I felt. I was just so happy.